Alright guys, so I have been waiting a week to make this video. This is a new knife from Klein and I've just got it in the mail. So I went ahead and opened the envelope, and before I pull this out, I just want y'all to go ahead and take a second to hit the subscribe button and the like if you would. And so here's what we've got. We have the Klein Flickblade utility knife, and this is going to be very similar to the Milwaukee fastback knives. So I've went ahead and cut the back of this open to make it a little easier to get out here on camera, and hopefully this thing will just pop right out for us. All right, so here we go. First impression is absolutely awesome. I like that it says Flickblade right there, and it comes with a blade cover, I guess, to help keep from poking you whenever you first get it out. But this knife has a couple unique features that Klein doesn't have, one mainly. So first things first, here is your knife, and it's got a locking position. So once you open that all the way up, there's a little blade right here that you can push over and close it, and that locks very strong. Like, there's no play in that at all. Also, this bit is interchangeable, so you can put any 1/4-inch drive bit in there you want to, or you can put a double-ended bit. So, and this is a magnetic bit holder, so whatever bit you put down in there, that's a strong magnet too. Also, that's a 1/4-inch drive, so you're always going to have this knife on your side. So if you put whatever bit or small flip bit in here that you want to use primarily, you're always going to have an impact ready bit. So that snaps down in there. I think that's awesome. You definitely cannot do that with the Milwaukee. So congrats on Klein for coming up with that design. But it comes with a standard Phillips, and once again, that's a very sturdy lock on that. Now we'll get into the functionality. So as you see it here, it's open. I press the button and flip it closed. It's nice and smooth. So again, that's a really smooth, look how free that floats right there. That's a really good bearing that they've got in there. And this knife actually locks in 2 different positions. So right there, that's locked. You can't move the blade. Then if you push it again, you can lock it there. And again, you can't move the blade. So there's 2 different locking positions. There's one. And there's 2. Now, I had a lot of people before I got this was asking me, since it has 2 lock positions, does it catch at the first one? Well, we'll find out. So I'm going to push the button down, and then I'm going to fling that out. And no, it does not catch at the first locking position. So you're not going to have any trouble getting this all the way open. But I like that extra functionality of being able to lock at that angle. That provides a very comfortable cutting situation if you're trying to make some accurate cuts. So I like that a lot. Of course, here's your gut hook or seatbelt cutter, whatever you want to call it. And then the last thing that I want to look at here is the actual belt clip. So I personally do not like an open wire belt clip. I don't think they're as strong. I don't think they last as long. And this belt clip here has a lot of pressure. So once you get that on your belt, this sucker's not going to fall off. So this has been a review and unboxing of the Klein Flickblade utility knife. And again, I want to mention that this bit right here is a magnetic bit holder. This bottom part is also a magnetic bit holder. So you can literally take this out and pop that sucker straight in your impact and use it. So there's your extra value buying this knife over Milwaukee. And I will do a side-by-side comparison video next of the Klein Flickblade and the Milwaukee Fastback. So there'll be a link in the description where you can buy this at. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos, and have a great day.